Hello everybody, today is February 6th. This is you're looking at Oregon. As you probably know, I have a snow advisory till tomorrow, and it's been hitting hard. It's 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The traffic is bad. Yeah, that's what side road looks like, and traffic is everywhere, both ways, and it's dropping to 19 degrees right now. So it's going to be a lot of fun tonight and tomorrow. As you can see, the side streets are pretty snowed in. It's almost up to the curb on the sides. Not a lot of cars though, but I barely found the road to get up the hill, get home, because the other road is already closed. BMW start going up the hill, spinning out. There's cars coming out of the parking lot, but this is fun. The Trimet bus is stuck. He's taking off the whole road. He's spinning on. Oh, he's all over the road. He's on the traction. See, it puts him sideways. He can't make it up the hill. And he's got tracking tire. Almost got it. There's an car starts spinning out. This hill is going to be a nightmare for everybody. Good morning everybody. Today is February 7. You can see overnight it snowed a lot. There's a lot of roads are closed. A lot of people staying home. A lot of businesses closed. It's still 24 degrees outside. And one way is just to have fun. You got one of these. Or four-wheel drive that will get you around, but otherwise I would just stay home. Good way to travel right now. You see all the roads are snowed in. Nobody's going nowhere.